War day number 833. 833 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May. No, June the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Let me continue with the 4 Stars Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku number 8, 6, 5, 8. And before I start, I always count the printed digits wrong. I cannot believe this. This one has 28 printed digits. Usually, the 4 Stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficult level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 Stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. I think whether it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be 14, 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3. The middle column now need to place level 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have a pair, the 3 and the 4 in this row, the 3 and the 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places level 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 and 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 6, 6. Need a 5 here, need a 4 here. How about 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 5, it should be there. 5, 5, okay, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, now. Need a 6 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 2. We have a pair, the 2 and the 6 in this row. The 2 and the 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2, 2, 2. 6, 6, 6. Okay. 9, 9. 5, 5. Well. I'm thinking. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2, 2, okay. I need a 7 here. 2 numbers left, 7 and 8. 7, 8, and the 1 is missing. Okay, 1, need a 1 there. I'm thinking. 9, 5, 2, 6. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, third column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left 4. A should be there. Three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this third column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 3. So 1 digit left in this big square. 1, 3, and need the 8 here. Need the 8. So we need an 8 there. We have a pair. The 8, 2, and an 8 in this column. The 2 and an 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, though, only 2 places left. The 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7, okay. And now, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only 3 places left for 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes. In the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes and there. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Then need a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place left is 7. 8 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. In this row, first row, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. So the 8 in the first row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Here, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now here. Wait, here, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe, the 8. 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here, 5 and 8. We already have a 5 here in this second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. Here also 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row. Only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. The 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. Wait. 3 and a 4. Yeah. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Told you, should be at 0 stars with 28 printed digits. Publisher, wrong indication. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1 star. Should be at 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.